Hello, everyone. So the HFA Anzus Pendulums have now shipped, and they will be arriving around the first week of January to whoever purchased them. So I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos over the next week or so that gives you some tips and tricks on how to use this. And did you know that you can use a pendulum to find absolutely anything that you lost? It's pretty simple. So what you want to do is you want to just draw a very simple map of the area where you think you've lost it, maybe in the first floor of your house. You know, just kind of rough it out on there. And what you want to do is just kind of walk into the room, and if you're not bringing the and you don't need this for this, but the inside, yes or no. Typically, what the Anzus pendulum will do is for no, you'll get a counterclockwise circle, and for yes, you'll get a counterclockwise. So what you can do is just you walk into a room that you think you lost something in, and just say clear yourself, and what'll happen? It'll start going north and south. That's just how this one seems to work best. And I mean, it just cruises super fast. And you can ask it, and I'll ask it for something that's on my desk. Did I lose my pen? Is my pen on my desk? And what you'll see is right instantly it just starts swinging in a clockwise position because it knows that it's there. Okay, stop. Now I'll ask it. Okay, is my bracelet that I bought on the cruise last year on my desk? And now we have that counterclockwise motion. So again, you can do it a couple different ways if you want to have some fun. After you draw the map, you can just focus in on the room and say, did I lose X, Y, and Z in this room? And if you get a yes, then walk into that room, and it's like playing like hot and cold, like when we were kids, but in real time, using that kind of masterful universal energy. So a lot of people always say, "Hey, I've lost my my HFA Mini has disappeared. My HFA Force generator has disappeared." Well, folks, they didn't disappear. They phased out of existence. And it's very common for them to just go away for a week or two or a month or two. I just kind of say, "Oh, they're on vacation," and then they come back. So it's all good. So this is a little tips and tricks. If you lose something, you can find it with your Anzus pendulum. Pretty cool stuff, folks. Have a beautiful day.